Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Bomb Kids TV. So today's video is going to be over this super cute style I did. This wig is from Nadula hair. You guys have seen them on my channel before. Awesome units, awesome quality hair. Cause y'all know the hair crunchy, I'ma tell you, okay? But Nadula is one of them girls. So today they sent over this, y'all ain't gonna believe me when I tell you, closure. So this is not a like 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. It's not ear to ear. The only lace I had to work with this was this. And y'all, I made it work. So I parted out some bangs, and then I parted out the section that was gonna be for the ponytail. And I know y'all are like, dang girl, you experimenting, because I have never done a style like this. If you scroll through my hair playlist on my channel, you will see I've never done a style like this. But what I'm realizing is that I'm slightly a hair influencer, just a little bit. So instead of doing things that I would do every time, I'm starting to venture out and do things that I wouldn't typically do, because you never know who the video may reach, and you never know who it might inspire to do their hair like this. So me personally, if it wasn't for this video, I would have never thought to do this. But now that I did it, it's super cute and I had fun doing it. When I do these videos, it just helps me tap into like my creative side, because I used to just install them and move on. But I'm like, hey, these videos are actually doing pretty decent. Like, videos are actually doing decent, so why not switch up the styles and play with it? You guys have heard me say this before. A lot of times the closures are for people who really don't want to do styles because they feel like they can't, because it's not a lot of space. This is a closure, and Nadula still makes sure, even with the closure, there's enough space to play around and do a style. These bangs did not come like this. I cut these bangs like this. You're gonna see in the video. I was gonna do two strand bang like this, and someone just told me, like, just make bangs. Like, F it, just do it. So I cut these bangs like this, and yeah. This lace, let me give y'all the rundown. This lace was pre-cut. I did not have to cut the lace. I did not pluck it. I bleached the knots, and that was it. I bleached them for about 20 minutes with 40 developer, and that was it. So let me show you guys something. So you see this? Actually, I'll do you one better. I was gonna stick the rat tail comb under here to show you that it's glueless, because I don't think y'all be believing me. But instead of the rat tail comb, we'll just do this. How does that work? Now, do you believe me when I say glueless? I ain't got no reason to lie. I ain't got no reason to lie, baby. They not paying me enough to lie. I'm just playing. Nah, even if they was, y'all know I'm gonna give it to you raw. But yeah, this, not a frontal. This can come off in 2 seconds. So Nadula, thank you so much for sending this over. I had so much fun with this wig and this style. I don't have any cons for this hair. I don't have anything I would wish that I would change about it or anything like that. The hair is soft. As you can see, it curls. I framed my face a little bit, and that's it. At first I was gonna leave it bone straight and do this style, and then I was like, you know what, let me throw a curl in there and just have fun with it, you know, just have fun with it. So, but yeah, I don't have anything I would change about this hair. It's soft, it smells good, it straightens well, it curls well. A lot of parting space just for it to be a closer. So if you are not like comfortable with having a lace that goes here to here, this is the unit for you. Yeah, I mean, if you're not into the whole closure thing and you want to get a meltdown, I mean, Nadula has it all. They have everything for you. You can scroll through my hair playlist and you'll see Nadula multiple times. Trust me, because me and Nadula, we in love real bad. But yeah, that is it for this. If you'd like to see how I achieve this, y'all, I'm so proud of this, because y'all know I never do stuff like this. But if you like to see how I achieve this style, then just keep watching. You'll see me slide it on. The install part is very short, because once again, it's pre-cut. So all I did was put the wig on. So the actual install part is very short, but if you like to see how I achieve this style, then just keep watching.